How's it going, guys? This is Kevin with Pacifica Tiny Homes. I'm enjoying a beautiful day here in California in Central Valley. It's about 60 degrees. I know the coastal area is getting hit by big waves. Shout out to you guys for surviving those big waves. But today I want to show you guys two of the upgrades that we have in our tiny homes to pretty much maximize the look of your home and go through the weather conditions that you have in your location. As you can see, this home has two upgrades. It has the cedar and the galvanized metal exterior. So those are going to be the two of them. I'm gonna go down, break down two of what's the pros on these exterior sidings for the homes, and you guys can pretty much choose what you like for your house and what's your personal preference. But I'm going to be breaking down these two options right now. Okay, come and check this out, and let's go have a beautiful look. Like I was mentioning to you guys, our cedar is really beautiful. I truly adore our cedar, and a lot of people do. Our client did appreciate the cedar, and they added it into their home. The thing about the cedar is just that it gives your house a luminance. It gives it more character, and depending on where you're located at, it just overall the landscape looks nice to having this tiny house with cedar siding. So it gives your house more of a cozy feel, cabin style look. But the thing about it is that it does require a little bit more maintenance in the metal. So you would have to be pretty much, making sure it's good. There's no bugs. You can use some type of cedar spray to prevent from bugs, chewing on them or, causing any type of damages into your cedar. But overall, throughout time, you guys know that, wood does change color. So you can see the different colors in the cedar, which gives it more character and it's more polarizing. I like that about the cedar, but it's all about personal preferences. Everybody gets to decide what they would want for their home. Also, too, the good thing about us here in Pacifica Tiny Homes for the cedar, if you want to give it a more of a lighter touch, lighter color, there is some cedar wood stain that stains the cedar, and so it gives it a different texture color. That you want a little bit lighter, darker, depending. There's a variety of options that we actually tell our customers. If you want your cedar to be a little bit darker, we can include it. If you want it to be more lighter, then we can also do that as well. So let's go ahead and check out our metal exterior siding as well. But this is going to be overall what we have for our cedar. So now we're going to transition into the metal exterior. The metal exterior is very nice and industrial. If you want more of that modern style look, you can definitely go with that metal exterior. It's built for durability. And it's also to prevent any type of bugs to go in through, or any animals, stuff like that. This is really great to have in your tiny house. And for the metal exterior, the great thing about this is it is less maintenance compared to the cedar. So it's easy to clean. That's one thing that a lot of customers like, is I don't want it to be all dirty or any damages, any scratches, or any type of it could be dust on it, but you can just get a water hose and clean it up. So it's really nice and easy to clean the metal exterior siding. So it is. So I know you hear this and be like, oh, well, can you hear that inside? You can barely hear it due to the fact that our homes are insulated. So that's one great thing about it. So you have this beautiful look, and you're not going to be hearing any type of, loud noises inside your home. You can hear it outside, but not the inside because of the insulation that these homes have. So the metal exterior is really good for also fire protections. So if you go through a fire, these really protect the homes. It's a good thing that they're on wheels. You can take off, and you have this metal exterior. It will be getting hot, but the fact that you have insulation, or you can upgrade your insulation too as well, it will prevent it from not getting super hot and from the sun as well. So if you're in Arizona or somewhere in the desert and you have metal exterior, it will really protect your home from getting hot from the inside. So it prevents that moisture to be entering your home. And that's really good about this metal exterior, galvanized metal exterior. All right, guys, like I was mentioning, if you guys want best of both worlds, you can either go with your metal and your cedar. You can do the combination of both, and that gives it you get the best of both worlds. You got your nice and rustic feel, and you also get your more modern and traditional and more of a durable feel. So you get the rustic and durable at the same time. It gives it more of a appealing look. And that's one great thing about that, what we can do here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. If our customers want the best of both worlds, you guys can choose how you would want your cedar and your metal combination to be looked. And that's your decision to make as well if you like both of them. Because I know a lot of people are like, hey, I like the cedar, but I can't decide with the metal. But look, you can put them both together, and that's one thing that we love to do here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. We'll be creative with you, and we'll create this combination as best as appealing in your eyes, and for anybody else that can see their homes as well. Okay, guys, so this is our metal and our cedar combination. But we also want to show you one more that it's not additional cost. It's for free, and you can pretty much choose your colors. You can do your colors as this as well, but this is also pretty fun too because it's more traditional. The home is more traditional, as in when it comes to the wood siding. So we'll show you guys right now, okay? This is pretty much hardwood, all in nice and plastered, so it's really great. It's really durable, very nice, very smooth, and it gives the home a very nice look. This is our traditional way of building our tiny houses at no additional cost. So you'll get your composite wood siding, the MDF, and also too as well, you get it in your trim, and it just gives the house, you know, a nice traditional built in here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. So this is pretty much our standard built right here. If you want to go with the metal exterior, that would be considered an additional cost, but you can also pretty much decide what colors you would want for your composite wood siding in your home. So it gives it more character. So at the end of the day, you can still add character in your home. You can change the colors, you can mix them up. There's a lot of colors in this world, you know, and if you guys have your own colors that you guys like in your mind, imagine putting the colors that you like in our tiny houses, in your tiny house. That would be very nice and very characteristic. We've seen so many people make blends of different colors in their tiny houses, and here in Pacifica Tiny Homes, we give you so many options for you guys to choose in the colors of the home, combine them, mix them up from the exterior, from the interior. And that's one great thing about here in Pacifica Tiny Homes. It's like a color book. You know, you coloring, you add your colors, and at the end of the day, you're happy with what you built and what you colored. Here at Pacifica Tiny Homes, we give you 3 options. You get your metal exterior, cedar exterior, of course at additional cost, and standard, your composite MDF wood siding. I mean, that's the best thing it can be. If you guys have any other type of siding that you guys like, or you guys seen in the homes before, comment down in the section below. I want to see these options. Put some links. I want to see what you guys have. Let's be creative here. Here in Pacifica Tiny Homes is all about creativity. And that's why we love every one of you guys. That's why whenever we hear you guys, you know, comment, we love the interaction that you guys, you know, have in our page. Keep checking this out. You guys want more videos, let us know. We'll be more than happy to give you guys more exclusive videos specifically for you guys. But you guys don't be shy. Just comment below. What do you guys like, actually? I have 3 questions for you guys. Or actually, one question. What siding do you guys prefer in your tiny house, in your dream tiny house? Metal exterior, composite wood siding, or cedar exterior? Or a combination of both metal and exterior? Comment in the section below which one's the best. You guys tell me right now. All right, guys, make sure you guys subscribe, hit the notification buttons. Be safe on the West Coast. Saying hi to everybody in the rest of the other states as well. If you guys want to come check out our shop and visit us, I mean, we're more than happy and more than welcome to, you know, open arms for you guys to come and check out our homes here. Okay, guys, every home that you see here is built for our customers. So this is their customer's home, and this is their customer's homes as well, and they decide what they want to do for their house. All right, guys, stay tuned.